Hey everyone, today I want to talk about the S9 ergonomic chair by WELAX. I've been using it for a full week now, and I have to say, it is a game changer, especially if you spend long hours sitting. Before this chair, I tried a few high-end chairs, but honestly, none of them really solved my neck, arm, and lower back pain like this one did. First thing I noticed is the full body support. The lumbar support moves with you. So when I lean forward to type, or recline to think, or shift side to side, my lower back stays perfectly supported. It's like the chair knows exactly what my spine needs. The headrest is another standout. It's fully adjustable, supporting my neck, whether I'm working, gaming, or leaning back to take a break. Armrests fully rotate 360 degrees and can even flip backwards. So no matter how I sit, my arms stay supported. They move back with the chair and adjust up and down too. Now, one small thing that I love that most chairs don't have, you can actually feel this chair adjust as you shift your weight. It's subtle, but it makes a huge difference for long-term comfort. Let me tell you how I spend my day. I spend 8 hours at my desk. Morning emails, afternoon focus sessions, evening study, and my back, neck, and arms felt supported the entire time. One of my favorite features is the one-touch adjustment system. With a single button, I can switch from 105 degrees for working, 116 degrees for a short break, or 130 degrees for relaxing. No complicated levers, no standing up, just one touch and I'm in the right position. The seat height and depth are fully adjustable too, which is perfect if you're between 5'5" and 6'3" like me. I also really like this feature, the footstool. It has a sliding footstool and then you can adjust it as well. There's a button in the back that you can adjust it, so you can slide it all the way in so it doesn't bother your legs when you're sitting. As you can see, totally out of the way. And then when you're ready, you just slide it out and then push the button and you can adjust it to the length that you need. Gives great support to your legs and feet. And then this is adjustable as well, so you can lean back and relax. And then when you're ready, simply slide it in. And you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the high tensile German mesh. It's not just soft, it also has a gentle bounce and keeps airflow going, so your lower body doesn't get hot or numb. See that? Soft but supportive and breathable. I even tested it with a small fan. Air flows right through it, keeping me cool all day. That's something most chairs don't do. During my day, I naturally leaned forward, reclined, and shifted side to side in every position, so so the S9 kept my back and neck and arms perfectly aligned the whole day. Before this chair, after a couple hours of work, my lower back would start hurting. Now, after 4, 6, or even 8 hours, I barely notice any fatigue. I also compared it to my old chair while gaming. On long sessions, my arms and shoulders would get tight. With the S9, the armrests adjust perfectly, so I can game for hours without tension. If you struggle with body arches from long sitting, or just want a chair that adapts naturally to your posture, the S9 is definitely worth considering. Continuous active lumbar support that follows your movements forward, backward, and side to side, armrests, and 3D headrests that adapt to work, gaming, or relaxation. One-touch mode adjustments for instant posture changes. One more thing, the chair's build quality feels premium. The base is sturdy, the wheels roll smoothly, and the adjustments feel solid, not flimsy. That extra stability gives you confidence to move naturally without worrying about tipping or wobbling. The chair sits on a strong aluminum alloy base with smooth, silent PU wheels. It rolls very quietly, and it's floor friendly too. Okay, so something that I really love about this chair is everything is pretty much adjustable. For example, you can adjust this, and then you can lock it if you want to, or you could leave it fully adjustable. It also, you can adjust this up and down depending on your height. Make it higher or lower. The chair built to support your body, focus, and comfort all day long. If you're ready to upgrade your desk setup, I highly recommend giving the S9 ergonomic chair a try. It's not just a chair, it's an investment in your posture, your comfort, and your health. Thanks for watching, and stay comfortable out there.